welcome to the mathematics class. Okay, this is the 5th standard. The exercise is 4.1. Okay, in the previous class we discussed about what are the factors and what are the multiples and what are the divisible rules there. Yes, with that knowledge we will derive the problems from the 4.1. Yes, let us start. The first question is, find the factors of the numbers. Yes, we have to find out the factors of the given numbers here. The first one is A, that is 15. Recall yourself, what is the factor? The factor is the divisor that exactly divides the given number. So, the 15 is divides by 1. The 1 is the factor of every number. Then the 15 is divisible by the 3 also. Next, it is in the fifth table and itself there, the number itself, it means the 15. So the 15 has the 4 factors that are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, next one, the 22. Yes, find out the factors of the 22 there. So write the 1. The 1 is the factor of every number there. Then the 22 is divisible by the 2. So the 2 is the factor of the 22. Next, then 11 and the 22. The 22 is also has the 4 factors, the 1, 2, 11 and 22. The C, that is 34. So it is divisible by the 1, then it is divisible by the 2 there, and this is divisible by the 17 and the 34 itself number, the number itself. So 34 also have the 4 factors there, the 1, 2, 17 and the 34. The D1, that is 45. The 1, next it is divisible by the 3, then it is divisible by the 5, then it is divisible by the 9, then it is divisible by the 15, the last one is 45. So the 45 have the 6 factors there, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Next, the E1, the last question in the first way, that is 50. So the 1 is the factor of every number and the 2 is the factor of the 50 there, and then the 5 is factor of 50, then 10, next 25, the last one is 50. Okay, these are the factors of the 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Yes, I hope it is clear what is the factor and how to find out the factors of the following numbers. Okay, let us move to the next question. Yes, okay. The second question is, tick the correct cell of the table by checking the divisibility of the given numbers. The question, divisible by, okay, there are some numbers here, so we have to check for each number and each rule there, is it apply or not. Okay, let us start. The first one, the 455, this number is divisible by the 2. No, it is not divisible by the 2. Why? Because the rule digit in the ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. In 455, there is no, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So the rule is not applied for 455. Yes, the B1, okay, in a ones place there is a 9. It is not applicable here. the divisible rule by 2, that is not applicable for the 3939. Okay, the C question, 2432. Yes, the whole number is divisible by the 2. Why? Because in a ones place there is a 2. So D, the 6372, this is also divisible by the 2. The 9,35,050 is, this number is also divisible by the 2. 9,936 is, this is also divisible by the 2. 89,991, okay, in a ones place there is a 1, so the divisible by the 2 rule is not applied for this number. 1916 is, this number is divisible by the 2. 8741, this is not divisible by the 2. Okay, next, the divisible by the 3 is, what is the rule of the divisible by the 3 there? The sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Yes, add the numbers there. The 4 plus 5 plus 5, yes, it becomes 14. So this is not divisible by the 3. The 14, this is not divisible by the 3. Why? Because it is not a factor of the 3. Next one, 3939. This is sum of all the digits is divisible by the 3. That means 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9, that is 24. The 24 is divisible by the 3. And 2432, 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, it means 11. This is not divisible by the 3. Yes. Next, D1, 6372, that is divisible by the 3. Why? Because the sum of all the digits is divisible by the 3. That is the third rule. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Next number, 9,35,050. It is not divisible by the 3 there. 9,936, it is divisible by the 3. The 89,991, it is divisible by the 3. 1,916, it is not divisible by the 3. The last one, 8,741, this number also not divisible by the 3 here. Okay, next, that is the divisible by the 4th rule. Let's apply for the each one. 455, it is not divisible by the 4. Yes, what is the 4th rule there? The last 2 digits are 0 or divisible by the 4. Okay, last digit 55, it is not divisible by the 4. That's why the 455 is not divisible by the 4. The next number, 3939, it is not divisible by the 4. 2432, the last 2 digits are 32. The 32 is divisible by the 4. So the whole number, that is 2432, is divisible by the 4. The next one, 6372, yes, this is divisible by the 4. Next, 9,35,050, this is not divisible by the 4. 9,936, it is divisible by the 4. 89,991, this is not divisible by the 4. Yes, remember or recall the 4th rule there. 1916, this is divisible by the 4. 8741, this is not divisible by the 4. Yes, what is the 4th rule there? The last 2 digits are 0 or divisible by the 4. Okay, next, the divisible by the 5. Yes, what is the divisibility by 5 the rule, digit at the ones place is 5 or 0. Yes, in the given number in a ones place the 5 there, so this number is divisible by the 5. Next number, the 9 in a ones place, so this is not divisible by the 5. The C number, the 2 is not divisible by the 5, so that's the wrong. The 2 is not divisible by the 5. The last digit 0 there, so the whole number is divisible by the 5. The 6, it is not divisible by the 5. The 1, it is not divisible by the 5. The 6, it is not divisible by the 5. The I question 8741, this is also not divisible by the 5. Why? Because digit at the ones place is 5 or 0. Okay, the 1 is in a ones place, so this number is not divisible by the 5. Next, the divisible by the 6 rule is, what is the rule of divisible by 6? A number that is divisible by both 2 and 3. Yes, 2 and 3. The 455, this is not divisible by the 2 as well as the 3. So, this is also not divisible by the 6. Second one, 3939, this is divisible, it is not divisible by the 2, but it is divisible by the 3 there. Yes, what is the sixth rule there? The number that is divisible by the both 2 and 3. In case the only one rule is applied, so the 3939 is not divisible by the 6. The C1, it is not divisible by the 6. The D1, yes, the both the numbers we applied the 2 as well as the 3 rule there for 6372. So this number is divisible by the 6 also. Next one, this is not divisible by the 6. The 9936 is divisible by the 2 and 3. So this number is divisible by the 6. Then next number, it is not divisible by the 6. The 1916, it is not divisible by the 6. 8741, that is also not divisible by the 6. Yes, remember the sixth rule is a number that is divisible by both 2 and 3. The next one, the divisible by 9. The rule is the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. The sum of the digits is divisible by 9. The 455, that is not divisible by the 9. Next one, 3939, this is not divisible by the 9. The 2432, the sum of all digits is divisible by the 9. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is, that is 11. So that is not divisible by the 9. The D1, 6372. Yes, this is divisible by the 9. The E1, 9,35,050. This is not divisible by the 9. 9,936. This is divisible by the 9. 89,991. The 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. Yes, this number is divisible by the 9. The 1916, it is not divisible by the 9. The 8741, this is also not divisible by the 9. The next one, the divisible by the 10. What is the rule? The digit at the ones place is 0. The digit at the ones place is 0. So the number is divisible by the 10. Okay, look the number there. In a ones place, the 5, so this is not divisible by the 10. The 9, so this is not divisible by the 10. The 2, it is not divisible by the 10. In a ones place, there is a 2, so this number is not divisible by the 10. In a ones place, 0 there, so this number is divisible by the 10. 6, the last digit, it means in a ones place, 6 there, that is not divisible by the 10. In a ones place 1, it is not divisible by the 10. The 6, it is in a ones place, so this number is not divisible by the 10. The last one, 8741, also not divisible by the 10. Why? Because in a ones place, the digit at the ones place is 0. So in a ones place, the number 1, so it is not divisible by the 10. The last one, that is divisible by 11. Yes, what is the rule there? The divisible by the 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Yes, let us check one by one. The odd places numbers, the 4 and 5. The 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 5, that is 4. So 455 is not divisible by the 11. The next one, the 3 plus 3 is 6. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 minus 6 is 12. This is not divisible by the 11. The 2 plus 3 is 5. The 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, what is the rule there? The difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. The 1, so it is not divisible by the 11. The 6 plus 7, 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So this number is also not divisible by the 11. The next one, add the odd places numbers there. That is 9 plus 5 plus 5 is 19. Add the even places numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3. So 19 minus 3 is 16. 16 is not divisible by the 11. Next, the 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 6 is 15. That is 3. So this number is also not divisible by the 11. The G1, the 8 plus 9 plus 1. Add the odd places numbers. The 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. The 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. So this number is divisible by the 11. Yes. That is with explanation. The odd places numbers are, so 8 plus 9 plus 1 minus the even places numbers are, so 9 plus 9. So 8 plus 9, 16, 16, 17, 17 plus 1 is 18, minus 9 plus 9 is 18. Yes, the difference is 0. So what is the rule there? That is, the difference is 0 or divisible by the 11. Yes, the 0, so the number is divisible by the 11. The next one, 1916, this is not divisible by the 11. The 1 plus 1 is 2. The 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. So the 13 is not divisible by the 11. So next, the 8 plus 4 is 12. So 7 plus 1 is 8. The 12 minus 8 is 4. The 4 is not divisible by the 11. Yes, this one is the second main answers. Next, go to the third one. Okay, the third question is fill in the blanks. The a number which is divisible by 9 is also divisible by. The number which is divisible by the 9 is also divisible by the 3. Yes, recall the 3 and the 9th rule. The divisible by the 3 and divisible by the 9 rule. What is that? The sum of all digits is divisible by the 3 rule, and the 9th rule, the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Okay, for the divisible by 3 and divisible by 9, both the rules are same way. So a number which is divisible by 9 is also divisible by the 3. The second one, a number which is divisible by 10 is also divisible by the 2 and 5. Yes, 2 and 5. Yes, remember the divisible by the 2 rule as well as the fifth rule there, the 5 divisible by the 5 rule. The digit in the ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. The number is divisible by the 2. Yes, the fifth rule, that means the divisible by the 5 rule is the digit at the ones place is 5 or 0. The whole number is divisible by the 5. So in a 10, in a ones place there is a 0 there. So it is divisible by the 2 and as well as the 5 there. Next C1, 1924 is divisible by the 2 and 4. Why? Because the 2 rule is, if in the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, the whole number is divisible by the 2. Yes, the fourth rule is, that is the last two digits are 0 or the divisible by the 4. Okay, in the given question the 24 is divisible by the 4. The 24 it is in the fourth table. So the 1924 is divisible by the 4. Next, the 2, the last digit, the 4 there. So it is divisible by the 2. Yes, the fourth question is check whether the first number is a factor of the second number or not. Yes, how to check that one? The first number is the factor of the second number. Yes, by the test of the divisibility. The solution. Yes, recall the divisible rules of the 3. Yes, what is that? That is the sum of all digits. The sum of the digit is divisible by the 9. Yes, add all the given numbers there. 2917. That is 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. The 2 plus 9 is 11. So 11 plus 1 is 12. The 12 plus 7 is, the 12 plus 7 is 19. 12 plus 7 is 19. Okay, the sum of the digit is divisible by the 3 there. The 19 is not divisible by the 3. Why? Because it is not, the 19 is not factor of the 3 there. So the rule is not applied. That is, the first number is a factor of the second number. This is not the factor of the second number. It's not. Thus, the 2917 is not the factor of 3. It is not 3. Yes, okay, next one, second one. Okay, the B, that is the 5, the 7610. 5 is not a factor of the, the 7610 is not factor of the 5 then. Yes, how to check that one? Recall the fifth rule. What is that? That is, in a ones place there is a 0 or 5. In a ones place there is a 0 or 5. 7610. Yes, in a ones place there is a 0 there. So it is the factor. It is the factor of the 5. Yes, right there. Yes. Yes. The 7610 is a factor of 5. This is the factor of the 5. Okay, there are the 2 more problems there. So you have to do with this knowledge. Okay, the exercise 4.1 is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.